Hi everyone, this is Alyssa Foss with the Elementary Math Department, and here is a quick tutorial on how to access and understand the Elementary Math Instructional Contingency Plans. Step 1, locate Clever. So if you are unsure how to find Clever, you can use your district computer. It should be on your desktop. If you do not have that, you can go to clever.com and you're going to click on Log in with Active Directory. To log in, you're going to use your district credentials. You'll need your Lawson number and your IDEAS password to log in. You may need to type at hcps.net after your Lawson number, so if it doesn't work, try that. Your password will be the same as it is for your email. So here's an example. Step 3, you're going to choose your grade level. So you'll notice when you log into Clever that there are some new e-learning icons. You will click on your grade level. That will bring up a document that looks like this. This is a third grade example, but every grade looks very similar. Once you've read the plan, locate the e-learning link towards the bottom of the plan. When you click the link, it's going to try to bring you into Microsoft Office 360. So you are going to need to sign in again, most likely, again using your Lawson number and IDEAS password. Step 5 will be to locate your math lesson plans. So when you get into the drive, you're going to have a folder for every subject area, and you'll find math, and it will pop up as a Word document. When you open the Word document, that will take you to step 6, which is going to be to view the contingency plan. There is a cover page to the contingency plan that explains some basics, and then there will be 10 weeks worth of plans following that. So read the cover page. Our main resources are going to be Pearson Realize and iReady. This is primarily going to be focusing on Pearson Realize because we've been using iReady for a couple of years, so hopefully you're a little bit more fluent with that program. You may also want to download the Bounce app on your phone. Bounce Pages is an app that allows you to scan certain pages within Pearson Realize, and it will automatically bring up a video on your phone. So this might be a great opportunity for parents, and it's most useful on the Visual Learning Bridge page, which we will get to in the next part of this series called Understanding Pearson Realize. Step 7. Once you have the plan and you have opened it, go ahead and preview it. It's important to understand that the plan was created based on our district scope and sequence. That might leave you wondering a couple of things. What if I've already covered some of what is on the plan, or what if my students aren't ready to start with week 1? The short answer to that is you need to do what is best for your students. So take the plan and make it work for you. Last step is going to be to review the weekly lesson format. Each week is going to be formatted the same. So here are the different components. You've got your week and your topic, which, like I said, those could change depending on you and your students. You've got your standards, which link out to Math Smarts with all kinds of great ideas and resources and info. Every week is 5 days worth of lessons. The main resource is going to be the Envision Interactive Student ebook through Pearson Realize, which is on Clever. Each day will be 2 pages from the ebook, and it will be the same 2 pages on each day. So it will get pretty easy to maneuver once you get started. There's also going to be a worksheet packet for students who do not have access to the internet. The great thing about the packet is that the front page of the student work will be it will be applicable to the Bounce app. So for students who don't have the internet or a computer, but their parents may have a cell phone, they could still use that app to view the video and the tutorials. The next component is iReady. So you could assign the correlating online iReady lessons that are listed here, and or set up expectations with your students for time on task spent on their specific learning path. The last column is additional resources. So that includes online resources and just ideas and tips for parents at home. All right, so hopefully you are able to complete these action items. Log into Clever, locate the district contingency plan, open the district contingency plan document. On that document, find the link to the instructional plan folder, preview the plan, and then you're ready to go. So part 2 of the series is going to be on using Pearson Realize. When you are ready, check that out.